Hi! Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is all about solve word problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of fractions and whole numbers. After going through this lesson, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication with or without addition or subtraction of fractions and whole numbers using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Are you ready? Before we start our lesson, let's have a review about problem solving. What are the 4 steps in solving problems? The first step is understand. So in this step, you need to know what is asked, what are the given facts, what is the hidden question if there is any. So minsan kasi may mga hidden question na kailangan nating sagutan para masagutan yung pinakang tinatanong sa isang given problem. After that, you need to have some plans. So dito, you should know what are the operations to be used. Pero minsan, hindi kailangan gumamit ng 4 fundamental operations. Instead, you need to do some strategies or ways para masagutan kung ano yung tinatanong sa given problem. Now, kung gagamit tayo ng 4 fundamental operations, we should know the number sentence. Next is the execution of the plan. Solve. So, dito magsasolve na tayo. Kung ano ba yung mga plinano natin, dito na natin i-execute sa solve. And then after that, malalaman na natin kung ano ba yung answer dun sa questions. The last step is check and look back. So dito, i-check natin or babalikan natin yung solution na ginawa natin. Kasi minsan, di ba, aminin natin, hindi tayo confident dun sa ginawa nating solution. So sometimes, nagdadalawang isip tayo. So kaya, importante yung last step, which is check and look back. Minsan, ginagawa natin yung opposite operations or inverse operations. Like for example, kung nag-add tayo dun sa ating solution, mag-subtract naman tayo since ang inverse operation ng addition ay subtraction. So, ganun lang. So, check and look back. Now, to start, I want you to read and solve each simple problem. Ready? Okay, let's go.
Entertainment.
Now, let's read and analyze the sample problem. Aling Rena prepared food for incoming fiesta of their barrio. She allotted a budget of 3,500 pesos for the food that she will cook. She allots 4/7 for purchasing vegetables and 2/7 for fish, and the rest is for meat. How much money did she spend for vegetables, fish, and meat? Now let's solve the given problem by applying the 4 steps of problem solving or solving problems. The first one is understand the problem. What is asked? Ano nga ba ang tinatanong sa given problem? So it's the amount she spent for vegetables, fish, and meat. How about the given facts? The budget is 3,500 pesos. 4/7 of that budget is for vegetables, 2/7 is for fish, and the rest is for meat. Next is solve the hidden given. So meron kasi tayong hidden question dito, which is ano yung fractional part ng meat? Kasi hindi siya given. Ang clue lang dito, yung rest or yung natitira ay for meat. So, given kasi 4/7 for vegetables, 2/7 for fish. So, ilan yung fractional part for meat? So, kailangan natin kasi siyang isolve para malaman natin kung magkano yung nagastos ni Aling Rena para sa meat. So, here's the solution. So, para malaman natin kung magkano or kung ilang part ba ang meat, i-add natin ang fractional part ng vegetable at saka ng fish. So, ito siya, 4/7 plus 2/7. So, that's 6/7. Madali lang mag-add nito kasi similar fraction lang naman sila. And then, para naman malaman natin kung ano ang fractional part ng meat, so we're going to subtract. So, it should be 1 minus 6/7. But since we're subtracting fractions, 1 is also equivalent to 7/7. So, na-discuss ko na yun sa inyo before. So, I hope natatandaan nyo pa dun sa aking previous video. So, 7/7 minus 6/7 is equal to 1/7. So, therefore, ang fractional part ng meat ay 1/7. So, pwede na nating isolve or compute kung magkano ang amount na na-spend ni Aling Rena for meat. Next step is plan. What operation should be used? An illustration can help you to understand the problem. So I have here an illustration. So this is the representation of the budget na naka-allot para sa lulutuin ng dish ni Aling Rena. So this is equal to 3,500 pesos. And eto, 4/7 or 4/7 is for vegetables. Next, 2/7 is for fish, and the rest is 1/7, which is for meat. Now, let's solve. Show the computation. So, we're going to multiply 3,500, since that's the budget, by the fractional part of each dish na bibilhin or lulutuin ni Aling Rena. So, the first one is for vegetable. So, that's 4/7, diba? So, we have 3,500 times 4/7. So, that's equal to 14,000/7. And then, let's divide. So, it's equal to 2,000 pesos for vegetables. For fish naman, it's 2/7. So, we have 3,500 times 2/7. So, that's equal to 7,000/7. And 7,000 divided by 7 is equal to 1,000 pesos. So, therefore, the amount allotted for fish is 1,000 pesos. Lastly, for meat, it's 1/7. So, we have 3,500 times 1/7. So, it's equal to 3,500/7. 3,500 divided by 7 is equal to 500. Therefore, the amount spent for meat is 500 pesos. Lastly, check and look back. So, kung natatandaan nyo yung given ko na illustration kanina, there are 7 parts at ang nire-represent ng isang buong part na yon ay 3,500. So, let's divide 3,500 by 7. So, that is equal to, very good, it's 500. So, therefore, each part is equal to 500. So, yan, kapag inad natin lahat ng 500 dito, that is equal to 3,500 pesos. So, ngayon, isa-isahin natin ang bawat dish. So, the first one ay yung 4/7, which is for vegetable. So, that's equal to 2,000 kasi apat na 500 ang meron, di ba? Next is for fish. So, 2/7, dalawang 500 for fish. So, that is equal to 1,000. And for meat naman, so that's 1/7 or isang 500, of course, that's equal to 500. So, as you can see, tama ang ating solution kanina. Always follow the steps in solving a word problem. The use of block models in solving problems involving fractions is an extension of whole numbers. It helps to visualize and understand word problems on fractions. Now, are you ready for some assessments? Of course, you should be ready. So please get a piece of paper and pen. Okay, so let's do this. Good luck! Did you get a perfect score? Very good! So kung hindi naman, okay lang yon. You can always practice and I believe you can do better sooner or later. Okay? Don't lose hope. Thank you for watching. See you in our next lesson. Bye!